Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Patriot Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9289P. 37,000 miles on this Patriot, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Patriot seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock for the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115-volt outlet. Perfect for charging those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Patriot has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9289P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.